Minto work. How are you? Where are my young people? Another side. You are who we are passionate about. Ngaimole. Abana bake. In fact, they don't win anything with Romano. You make credit. Weke number ya audio gutanga na weke number ntanga. Automatic credit because we want you guys to learn so that way you are able to grow. Muchako tokonya mami ntu abangi na bono twago tire young people ngaimole sukagocha bono lero neli tukotokoroka gratitude Wednesday neli tukotogwakira nyasambi ya muno ase ebintu atokoleire Gratitude Wednesday litukuli wakara nyasambi ya muno igorero wesa abantu bande batokonyire mbi ya muno rero totete tukwanire abantu bali bagotorusia amagoso tokoroka quality analysts abantu bakoroka quality analysts n'abantu bali bago check nye company ya ombiyere abantu bali bago check nga emirimo ya ombiyere kire company nebwate abantu ba quality assurance n'abantu bali bakuligirira company bateba nge company yege korani iga emirimo yabo no konyora chi negative ne chi plus kere bakore chi negative ne chi plus baleta chinambo on the table abantu ba HR baligereria bateba nga gento getenge onete kokoro gento gete abantu mbaroro overseers ose chi board members board members baligereria bateba nge company yewenete echinchugu gento gete so rero Gratitude Wednesday otutete twakire nyasaye mbiya muno asa abantu bali bagotorusia amagoso asa abantu bali bagokorusia amagoso liso lintete ko baboli abantu bali montegererete kwanya kuchiko try go kwatyankwa Ekegusii kwanya kuchiko tema kotebi umuntu obwate mechando inchega igantebe nga keremensia gento gete kwanya kogenda kotebi umuntu gento igoro yobo ko ngorochi umuntu yugo flipper chi script ogo karaye kwabe problem you become a problem you address a problem narangi iri umwana one namotebi nga nyarebe kentekere iga nyene umwana one narangi iri umuisike mwana no mumure namurangiri ngentekere omenye ko ire liriyo komo rusia magoso ogo onchole script kwaba the problem omaitene rulinge problem that's why kwa murangeri komo tena ngakinyarebe nindu chobo ko ngumbulega ngakiurocho urakole gento gete omwana omosani omokoli emeremo omuntu okorangeri gwa address issue okobera equality analyst okobere quality assurance nayo korangiri umuntu oyo muteinga amagoso nalega umuntu yugo flipper chi script ochaka gukorusia amagoso ninu rero tutayite twakirimbiye muno abantu balimo gokonya abantu korusia abantu amagoso elinda abantu bababa yago chaka nabayiboli insachinde wacha na siblings insachinde wacha na co-workers insachinde wacha na friends abantu bali umanye tibu ya kabisa lakini utayite ko barusia amagoso uno muntu baroche ngaganko gosa bale lakini mbata yituko rusi kumagoso mbata yituko ngagambo bogocha abantu bali bago turusi amagoso na bututa yite tuinyorerero on a Gratitude Wednesday. You see an issue tigankwa negesongo with someone, you address the issue with someone, they turn around and make you the issue. Have you seen that? You call your brother, you tell him that chomo amaruna mango konyu chomo injuke nyo agache chomo tegunya ko mani mokao chomo ken yubo tayai kwarangiri mwana mino kwarangiri mamu mino kwarangiri tatu issue abantu bali bamenye go flipper chi script bako bekire issue eri bona libaga yalinge yabo abantu bali kwari kurusia magoso yacha yaba issue abantu bali bago woncholera chi issue abantu bali bago woncholera problem yalinge problem kwali ko bakonya bakonye woncholera those are the people tutaite wakira mbia mono lera ntaite muinyore abantu bandi bonse chakira na bayibuli abantu bagokurusia magoso bagogote ngagambu bugocha. We do not have control ngento kiuchi gokora lakini oroche ndeme kabisa ekinale gokora ntige inche ngotebi ngaki James na rolire igana egente kebe in fact QA gasia QA no konyole bintebiya ne bintebibe QA nere koya report ye company ngaki company yeito egenderete mubwata abandi abantu mukuruka board members n'abasandi bali gutara na barawo ngo EQA ya young people lero liswali mbabwate ngaki ngo bwato omuntu oli ukurarangeri kere oli in a crisis because you ayo mwenyene gore organization ayo mwenyene gore company ayo mwenyene gore your own business. You are just like Coca-Cola, you are like CNN, you are like Facebook, you are the CEO of your life. A company ya okoran ayo mwenyene ingo ase company yao obwato montolie kere bintu bitalibiya okorangeli run numbers for you gotebi nangaki kere mensia iga binte bimbiri kwenda biya nobwate ebyasara byawo naboro nimbwate chingoko ngosimekande chinsaga nimbwate ebinte ingokorande ebyasara nimbwate abana ngokini ebintu maite ngo wochera bire ebinge kare bintu ebiwika byako sigi byachaga wosigiki imwe QA yao ingo chi board member chiao okorangeli babolinga ebyasara byasambire ngakingo kora today otete wakera abantu biya mono muntu ndi bwese gokorangeli ogotebi nga nyarebe mbubu wocha nyarebe ke yoro gendo. It takes courage umuntu gokorangeria agotebi ngaki you need to change your ways. It takes courage umuntu gokorangeria akorusia magoso especially after kwabere 18 nando nyokotagete kumanya n'abantu batatagete positive feedback or negative feedback abantu bali mu bwata abana ogotebi umwana nga clean a room kwa mugechi watebi umwana nga ruga kwa mugechi watebi umwana nga kikora homework abali mumbanya kondikere school kwa mugechi yani kende nke yuko boli umwana oyo mwana bwanchete akole utaliko mugechi. I tell my daughter ngaki abana mbare bali chintakana batabwatingina batabwatise onde bwensi obwatengina na isole moyo akiranya sambi ya mono ngaki nobwate mamumino orakorusie amagosa agotenga gambo bogocha nobwate muisoko mino orakorusie amagosa agotenga gambo bogocha kubwa gutwara abasani bago kongaina ngakintaro chino onde bwensi kwene ndi ngaki wane network yere onde bwensi yoli getekende kwani ngondre na bale yetelma kwarare omuntu oli ogokorusia magoso omuntu oli ogotenga mbubo gocha maruko nyuna amange amangana yugo kwana na amange enyombe ikwagora yaya ire ngo wakala ni chirwinya keremensia onye nyombe yo gore nyomba yeru 200 onye gokonyora lero pole ni chiriska yani omuntu yo QA mburuma eto mwete details obwate nyombo waka na $4,000 go send 4,000 shillings go send 4,000 omuntu yo ngomotebi oli nganko an 20,000 omuntu QA mete for you to get accurate results we call omuntu QA accurate numbers you onko an 50,000 na gore nyomba waka na 4,000 a month we currency no muntu yo QA kwa motebi omanyire bogotenga yaya keremensia nganya kuri nyumba ya 4,000 incho nyumba ya 2,000 oyino muntu QA because you know why you got to muntu QA the exact numbers omuntu inerere onte tukubolinga ki first no mubwate kale bolinga ki ingase list yawe kere bintu bigogochiere ngenjo bigogochiera okorangeli omubolinga ki ingana nerega ngaki ayo nyigwete agote ingengane yubna nyigwete gere igana yani obo another person's opinion because chi opinion chao sometimes nabo chikoba nchiba chindonge ngogo konya second opinion umuntu olio QA lero umuntu inere tutayite ko recognize totebenga ki akiranya sambi ya mono asa abantu bali bagocha sobuguma bwao bakorusia magoso bagogote ibi bintu tutayite koigwa ekero bwata abantu ba QA bagokonya olengeri ko bwabu no gukorora nabo korora igandoleiga uyo ndaroleiga kiro umuntu akorora okorora korangya awo igone kiye kogera ogutwara abantu in fact nabo gutwara abantu kiye sene department nabo gutwara abantu nonyemba 5 kurangere niba wokote by'umuntu nga there's a problem here ogonjore the script okoranga naye problem asinge nje kwa mutebi problem eyo ayeli abantu bali willing na ando bamanyinga ngaki aye Penny kenemensia naye QA specialist yani company yani nga kuro chegenderete company yani yambane nga kuro chere company ya Penny nga kyunyiro chere umuntu akwe overview nga ki ebyasade byao are you growing ebyasade byao are you going down lakini amara manga abantu abaguturusia magoso bona bokonyora twangete sana umuntu uri ogotebye bumayire nabona ngo batenga tike kurusia bakungu Kenya mutaiti kuigwa ngo batayitike kurusia basacha Kenya mutaiti kuigwa ngo batenga tike kuire chibesi chino kuruga iga America tike kuigutoma go Kenya chibesi chonspi lenda abana bainoga iga ira abana chiskuru ga mutaiti kuigwa watika gosomia abana bawo ga iga kwenda gwachikori gichikura watika gosomia abana bawo ga iga kwenda kwagacha chinyumba chikoroba koroki abantu ngam nubwate chinguru bone ige go kuminyokia na abatebiri nga otasigiti mukao nyomoteyo otasigiti umusacho nyomoteyo abinte ibantu mbatayite ko yunga masase tatayite ko yunga chibese nabo chiko kwenene amachuma tatayite ko yunga ki amasase nabara na bwate chinguru karaba na baraburi bagabara kwana guchote umusacho yego tenga yaya umukungu is there to be seen abantu balimo gotebwa bumayene boko ba heart kero to kubateye amachuma mnanga ki amasasa atebire ngutiyo kamule amasasa atebire nga chingeni no chimenyete umuntu n'umutayite mo menwe n'iminwe mechafu amasasa to kubatenga yaya amachuma atebire iminu mubwate n'imitambike y'iminu nyomba amasasa to kubatenga yaya amachuma atebire tiyakobanya kubalinire ento n'ikiyabo ka umusache gento kiri kiyaye na kikuwa nyomere tu otherwise agata kunyome tu umusache okunyomere elindo chako mwegendo kwamanya kwamo ikibwoye kwamuli negento mutinyu mugima toko batenga yaya ngatoko lino monte getinyu ento mutinyu mugima kwanga gusanga watebanga nabasacho kubwatesi ko kanya abasacho kwa bateba nabakungu kubwatesi tyamba tebi akirenya sambi yamono onye kubwata umuntu mugukwana nere umuntu okwa ideas chao naye kwa mu ideas chao umuntu gukurusia magoso naye kwa murusia magoso umuntu ubwato bumayene ogotebye bumayene naye kwa mutebye bumayene ekinekewe kenene sana onye mamu mino kale moyo ogotebye bumayene bo ko hat ekinekewe kenene sana onye musubati mino kale ororo gukurusia magoso ko yubororo akirenya sambi mono for that pain be bold otebe mnanga ki amagoso ga naro be bold otebanga ki I shouldn't be doing this akirenya sambi yamona sabantu balia barasobo mabwao bagokurusia magoso amagosa yagero chakobo muntu mbia haya abantu baroro bare negative abantu baro maite baro banchi to go bring down egento ntama yetenga your own sister your own brother na bako work so hard nga make sure na wasirire nga yubo saitani bokatakali nga kibo murumi nako make sure nga ataita kurangirira immigration yeko irani Kenya mumurumi na make sure ngo chiro ko beire na mukao mumurumi na make sure ngo iriro umwana ochiro osiri umwana yani abana ba mino bano squeeze abana ba mino should never be trusted abange ebataite ko make sure nga naye waferi na bafeireti onye ko bwatu umuntu ogo check onye ko bwatu umuntu kukurusia magoso. Today is the day when etoba kirinyanga mbiyamona sokoro ya chinsa chiabo ko gotebye ibintu bire negative asobuguma bwao maybe bire positive. Be grateful for the people who correct you. lero gratitude Wednesday neri tukotogoteba abantu kunyuri abantu nga koranche kabe grateful for your QA person. Koranche be grateful for your mother who corrects you. Koranche be grateful for your father who corrects you. Koranche be grateful for your siblings who correct you. Koranche be grateful to your good friends, your cousins, your co-workers. When people are correcting you, be grateful. Don't take that for granted. Not everybody has somebody who has courage to come and tell them that, you know what, ahambo bawakora. Nyasawo yo, tima iti network imnanga kiaba, network sense. Tundo chirambe ndio sinataka kwa young one person credit. Lakini tindo chionde stro chinkwa urade, let me go eat my lunch. Nyasaba seseni. And if you've not liked my page, please like my page and share this video. I am praying to God that God can open a way. Wangende to kusaba Nyasangi golere nchera. Ege ntonte itoko kora number 1. Nte nyore liba ganchake gosomia abana chintakana. Abana bayetete bakaende school mbabwa school fees. Ege ntokia kabere ingo saba Nyasaye nkonye nyore chibese infandi a few young people. Bachake biasara na bachaka mitumba na bachaka kon. Kende yonso tete gokora. At least ngiro mwana yomo osaba na babere nchake one by one. I support them because in America to what $. Insa common umwana yomo umwana mungaini kero na kolere homework na manyiri umwana na bwate a good mindset. Insa umwana yomo $1,000. $1,000 is 100,000 shillings. And that is the question I pose. Oroche uranyora 100,000 shillings lero young people. Bali muri Kenya tali America inu imirimo no ichirega umuntu arakwa 100,000 shillings lero hago tengango kwa 100,000 shillings onchonga chibwateiga. How do you think that money is going to play out? That is a challenge I have for you, because I want to get to a point talingo nyago kwa no muntu bosa oikana nchembe kichibesa so muntu school fees yaro nkorunda bana ndibwate tayari na ndente etementa bana bande, lakini entrepreneurship aso koire chibes chao omwana I want youth to chakiri na 100,000. What can you do with 100,000? Meanwhile, go to my page, like my page, and I'm going to be following, but in the next few months, because self-employment is almost the way to go. In the next few months, I want to start searching for umwana umosayo mumra, umwana umoiseke, of what a business mindset to roaching and ever successful. 100,000 no any guy America is good money. You can start no any socks business. Over each socks choke. On each socks. You can sell all socks for $1,000. Or and $1,000 over each socks. Ochake. Or $1,000 over each t-shirt. Ochake. So in the next few months, I want ndorenga ki mwana ki musaye ki oraira 100,000 shillings agole wosine chingoko 100,000 shillings agole wosina matunda something ebe capital you once again 100,000 shillings achake cross chabati 100,000 shillings aoni amandasi. We have to put our mouth telling just the mouth ogo kwana manganambia lakini uyikobeke bese. You have to empower these young people. And my vision in the next few months through my page, I want to more support on my page. I want to start with 100,000 shillings. Obe usi obe bokamba sole. Umonta ko umwele 100,000 shillings on your M-Pesa. Alafu bono ngangane na chirocho. Ege nteke benga umwele umonta 1,000 shillings, 100,000 shillings again that ringe. But that is what, you know, I'm praying to God, and God can hear my prayers. We need to be able, America, we need to be able to set money aside to empower some of these young people who are there. They have a good business idea and it will succeed. Na ande tuchake kubwatira na baba Jackie na bunko koleta marieta. Baba obisa banta bane ba chi admin. Toira 1,000 kero montarwa no 500 gostugro montarwa to chake ko chako mwana oyo moyo. In fact, natokonyo yomo, it's going to be great. Nyasa oyo, let me go eat my lunch. If you've not liked my page, like my page. One more thing, once you like my page, share those videos that are on my page. If you share my videos, tag me. And you know, those people who tag me, every now and then I send you guys credit because you're taking time to help my page grow, because it's my business page. I want my business page to grow so I can make more money, and then I can share this money with my young people in car. Opportunities. So help us grow what we have. So after we grow, whatever we have achieved, we can share. Yes, I will.